Every day at 6 p.m., Maya sat on the same park bench, rain or shine. Some said she was waiting for someone, some guest, an old friend. Others whispered it was her first love. Years passed, the seasons changed, the bench aged, and so did Maya. One evening, a young man noticed her. He walked up and asked, "Why do you wait here every day?" She smiled gently and said, "Because love isn't always about moving on. Sometimes it's about staying." He looked puzzled. "But who are you waiting for?" She turned to the empty space beside her, looked at it with quiet eyes, and said, "Someone who once said, 'I'll be back soon.' He never came back, but he also never said when." She looked up at the sky, eyes glistening but smiling. The bench in the rain had become her way of holding on to a love that never faded. Love doesn't always mean a happy ending. Sometimes it's just about remembering with all your hearts. Follow for more. Bye-bye.